Hi guys, I'm going to make a very quick and easy chicken and courgette curry. Does anybody else absolutely love courgettes and chicken together? It's my absolute fave, so let's go. Oil in a pan, medium flame. Onions, green chili, tomato, get it blended. We're going to fry this off for around 10 minutes. I've got 1 kg chicken breast cubed ready on the side, and I'm going to quickly start peeling and getting my courgettes ready. Back to the masala on the side. I've been adding splashes of water when need be. This is now ready. First step, I'm going to add in my courgettes because I feel courgettes take a little bit longer to cook. So these go in first for around 10 minutes, then we're going to pop in our chicken. Courgettes frying off nicely on a medium flame. I'm going to now add in these spices to begin with: salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala, 1.5 teaspoons. Obviously guys, add your own spices to taste. 1 ginger and garlic cube in next. And there you have the courgettes looking great. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to now add the chicken. Then to lift that chicken, let's sprinkle 1 teaspoon of tandoori powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder for that extra flavor. All mixed in, looking fab. I'm going to now pop the lid on, leave the flame on a medium to low. The courgettes release its own water and that should cook nicely. 5 minutes in guys, just look at that. Look how much juice is coming out of those courgettes. Just going to give it a little bit of a stir. Delicious. Now I do prefer my courgette and chicken curry slightly more on the drier side. So the flame is now going to be on a medium to high so everything cooks well and it starts to dry up. Also at this stage, I'm just going to sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander. Lid was back on for 10 minutes. Beautiful. Just look at how delicious that looks. Finally, I've got some kasuri methi and I'm going to just sprinkle that on. I actually don't have any coriander, so if you do, definitely pop it on. And this is your delicious chicken and courgette curry done. We're going to enjoy this with some delicious homemade roti.